So yesterday we were discussing about question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Chapter number 2. Given on page number 17. So the first blanks dash is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Its answer is rickets. RICKETS. And the next B is deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Yes, Rohani?
Vitamin B1.
Yes, right. Next is C part, deficiency of vitamin C cause a disease known as Avni.
Ma'am, scurvy.
Yes, scurvy. SCURVY. Clear? And the next D is night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. Yes, Rudra?
Ma'am, B1. Ma'am, vitamin A.
Yes, it is vitamin A. Very good. So, there is a doubt in the question that is given on page number 14. Paheli wonders whether animal food also consists of these different components and do they also need a balanced diet? What do you think about it?
मैम 5th के सी का स्कर्वी है.
यस बच्चे स्कर्वी है. एनिमल्स को भी ऐसे ही फूड चाहिए, उनको भी बैलेंस डाइट चाहिए. आपको क्या लगता है उनको चाहिए? एनीवन? यस हर्षप्रीत सिंह.
Ma'am, no, because there are many animals who eat same kind of food like herbivores. They only eat plants, and when carnivores they only eat flesh. When the carnivores do not eat plants, and herbivores do not eat flesh.
But they are getting nutrients from that food that they are eating. अगर वो उनको मिलेगा नहीं, अगर वो भी उनको जैसे कि फूड नहीं मिलेगा तो देयर विल बी डिसीजेस इन द एनिमल्स आल्सो. हर्बीवोर्स तो हाँ वो तो फ्लैश नहीं खा सकते, बट जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं या कुछ भी उनको वो जो हर्ब्स खा रहे हैं, जो ग्रास खा रहे हैं, उनसे तो मिल ही रहा है ना. क्लियर? यस मनजोत. यस मनजोत बच्चे.
Ma'am, I raised the hand for the blanks.
Okay. Which blank?
Ma'am, which you asked.
Acha, okay,
From
okay.
the book.
Okay. So animals also need balanced diet. Okay, if they are not getting nutrients, then there will be diseases in the animals also. Clear? So the food they are eating, it is providing resistance to them from the diseases. Clear? Otherwise, there will be also diseases in the animals. क्लियर? अगर कोई डॉग है, आप उसको प्रॉपर खाना नहीं दे रहे हो, उसको भी कोई ना कोई डिसीज हो जाएगी. क्लियर? सो उनका जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है इट इज सेम लाइक दैट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो. उनमें भी डाइजेशन प्रोसेस हो रहा है, उनमें भी अब्जॉर्प्शन मींस के न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हैं उनको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एनर्जी, तभी वो इधर उधर जा पा रहे हैं. सो द एनिमल्स आल्सो नीड द बैलेंस डाइट. क्लियर? जिनको नहीं मिलती, आपने उनके जो यू हैव सीन देयर हेल्थ, दे आर सो वीक दैट दे आर अनएबल टू वॉक or they are unable to move. Okay, so animals also need nutrients in their food. So next, come to the chapter number 4. We are doing the introduction part. It is given on page number 26 and the chapter name is sorting materials into groups.
जो आपने स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेने के लिए कहा था मैम, उसमें ख्याल लेना है मैम. स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स जैसे
Yes, we will do the activity. Okay, so you have seen seen there are so many things that are present around us, but the things are not even identical to each other. They are not same. Okay, there is blackboard, table. They are not same. Okay, they are not identical. Either they are made up of same material, but these are not. These are different in shape, different in color. Okay, and different in size also. So the materials are present in different shapes. The objects are present are different in different shapes, color, and size. Okay, example you can see at your home: refrigerator, television. These are the objects that are present around you. That are the things. So these things are made up of different materials. Clear? If I talk about this bottle, it is made from plastic. Clear? And the black and the board and the table, it is made from wood. So we are surrounded by so many things. Clear? So we have to sort the materials. For example, जैसे कि in your almirah, if all the clothes are messed up, that means the shirts are mixed with the जो शर्ट है, जीन्स है, आपने उनको ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है. So it will be difficult for you to choose. Clear? So अगर आपने उनको अलग-अलग ड्रॉ में सेपरेट करके रखा हुआ है, so it will be easy for you to find the shirt or jean. Okay? Clear? So we have to we will learn this chapter about why there is need to classify the materials, why there is need to make groups. Clear? So the topic 4.1, objects around us. So we saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is a vast variety of objects everywhere that we have discussed. There are so many objects that are present around us. Okay, we see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. So you observe that these objects are having different shape, different color, and different size. Yeah. So I told you to collect some objects. You have collected?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Samriddhi has calculator, gun, ball is also there. Okay. Stapler, toys. Okay. The glass is also there. So very good, students. So in this, firstly you will find the object that are round in shape. Show the object that is round in shape. Yes, Avni, very good. Yes. Very good. So it contains a rubber ball, a glass marble is also there. Very good. So these are the objects that are example of the objects that are round in nature. So you can separate the objects that are round. Keep them in a separate group. Yes, make a separate group for them. Yes. Very good. Now, there may be also other objects, for example, apples, oranges, and earthen pitcher that we can also include in it. Clear? Yes. Sargunpit, there is lemon.
Ma'am, no.
Okay, rubber ball.
Rubber.
Okay. Okay. So now separate the things that you can eat. Have you any object that you can eat that is edible? Separate it.
No.
No, one more. Okay. Don't worry. If you don't have, don't worry. Ghazal. Okay. Mansi. Onion and tomato. So keep them in a different group also. Round objects का एक group बना दो. Second, then make the group of the objects that are edible in nature. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have this to drink, ma'am, but not to eat.
Okay, it's
Ma'am, I
okay if
have
you
some
don't
also.
have. Don't worry if you don't have. It's okay. So now we might find that these some objects that are round. Now you have just make a group. आपने एक उसका group बना दिया है. Clear? Then now collect the things that are made up of plastic. Separate the things that are made up of plastic.
Ma'am, if round things are made of plastic, then
You can make a group then. उनका भी एक group बना दो.
ma'am,
Yes.
मैम अगर
any-
वो चीज मैम राउंड भी है और प्लास्टिक की भी है तो मैम उसको कौन से ग्रुप में रखें?
You can keep it any group.
Okay, ma'am.
We are just separating out. Yes.
Ma'am, it is of steel, but inside it some things are in plastic.
Sir, keep it in the round one.
I'm scared.
So you are also saying that yes. Now जब आपने ये सभी चीजें collect की थी, now it is easy for you to group them. आप उसमें से अगर कोई आपको बोलेगा कि plastic pick out करो, so it will be easy for you to pick the plastic from that group. Okay, otherwise आपने जो है पूरा एक ऐसा ही रखा हुआ था आगे. Now you have make them, you grouped them. Here now, next there the objects that are made of plastic. You can take any example: buckets, toys, lunch box, water containers, pipes, and you may find a different. You will make a different group for them. Clear? So these substances, the substances that are present, that the objects that you have collected, you can group them according to their shape, okay, and according to their materials. वो किसके बने हुए हैं? Clear? Now the objects are made up of different materials also. Plastic, steel. अगर कोई steel है, make it in a different group. Make a different group for steel. Yes. If glass is also there, you can make a different group for glass, plastic, metal, wood.
Ma'am,
Water.
tablet is made. Ma'am, tablet is made up of which material? Tablet. Ma'am, tablet is made up of which material?
It is of plastic. It contains metal inside also. There are some metals. Place it on the plastic side.
मैम प्लास्टिक का
मैम
tablet
मैम प्लास्टिक का टैबलेट कैसे मैम?
The cover of the there is the covering of the tablet is of plastic. It is not made up of iron.
मैम जो प्लास्टिक का राइटिंग बोर्ड होता है जो होता है
नहीं, उसका जो ऊपर कवर होता है ना वो प्लास्टिक का है. उसके आगे स्क्रीन के ऊपर ग्लास है चाहे, but we can consider it in plastic.
Ma'am, this will be considered in which group? Phone. Ma'am, phone will be considered in which group?
You can keep it in the plastic one.
Ma'am, this cup.
You can see the object is not, we will discuss it. It is the next activity that in the single object, there are different types of materials that are used. We will also perform this activity. But now from this activity, what you have done? What is your observation? What is your observation? Yes. Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, my observation is like we are grouping the objects. If the circular objects go on one side, and we can group the object by their material or the things they are made of, and what can we do with the object. Like
So we have made, so the process, now what we have learned, you are right, Tanishka, we get to know about we divide the things into different groups. So this is called classification. Here, so what is classification? It is the process of dividing the objects into groups according to the material they are made up of. Okay, according to their type. Here, so what we have done? We have done classification. Here. So next is activity number 1. So I'm reading the last pair of the second column, that all the objects around us are made up of one or more material. For example, Avni is asking about a cell phone or a mobile phone. There is glass also, and there is a plastic covering also. So it means that the object can be made up of one or more materials also. Clear? Here the material is plastic and glass, but the object is mobile phone. Clear? So we will discuss about it. So these materials may be of glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. Can you think of other more examples of the materials from which objects are made? Yes, Rachit?
Ginny.
Objects किस material से बनते हैं? More examples. Some are given in your book, but
Ma'am, wool.
yes.
Ma'am, wool.
Yes, wool. Very good. Tanishka?
Coat.
Ma'am, cotton
Plastic.
is made of the soft toys.
Plastic.
Plastic is mentioned in the book.
Metal.
Steel is also there. Leather is also there. So you can write so many examples of the materials that are used to make objects. Clear?
Metal.
Now next, coming to the activity number 1. Let us collect as many objects as possible from around us. Each of us gets some everyday objects from home, and we could also collect some objects from the classroom or from outside the school. What we can collect in the classroom? You are now attending online classes, but you can tell.
Chalk, duster.
Chalk, duster, yes. And pencil, notebook. These are also examples. And other examples that are given in your book are nail. These are the objects that you can find outside the school. Okay, rubber, duster.
Ma'am, what question you have asked?
Yes.
What question you have? Ma'am, what question you have asked?
I am asking that what are the objects that you can find in your classroom? Now you are attending the online classes, but I am just asking.
Ma'am, desk.
Ma'am, benches. Pins.
Very good.
Ma'am, blackboard.
Ma'am, almirah.
Ma'am, chalk. Ma'am, chalk.
And what are the things that you can collect
Ma'am,
outside the school? outside the school? Yes, Manjot. The objects that you can, please just give me a minute. Manjot, बच्चे, what are the other objects that you can collect outside the school? Any example?
Dustbin,
Yes. There are so many things that are around us.
dustbin, leaves, and
footballs.
vehicles.
Yes, very good. So there is an interesting thing is given on the page number 27. Matchbox, salt, potato. These are the examples. Okay. We can also list objects that we can think of but cannot bring to the classroom. There are some objects also that we can't bring it in the classroom. For example, trees, walls, roads. Yes, these are the things that these are the objects that we can not bring to the classroom. Clear?
Toys.
टॉयज तो हम जैसे कि अपनी क्लासरूम में कोई ना कोई छोटा टॉय लेके आ सकते हैं, बट जो जैसे कि वॉल है, पूरी रोड है, उसको हम अपनी
मैम फोन,
मैम
फ्रिज,
मैम फोन,
टीवी,
अंडरलाइन द एग्जांपल्स.
मैम पैडबॉल, मैम बेड.
बच्चे जो ये जैसे कि वॉल है वो तो मूव नहीं कर पाएगी, रोड भी मूव नहीं करता है. So these are the things that you cannot bring at your home also. होम में तो आप अपना फ्रिज लेके आ सकते हो ना, रोड तो पूरी नहीं आ सकती. ट्री को ऐसे हम ट्री को नहीं हम लेके आ सकते अंदर.
मैम डोर्स.
So these tractor, road, these are the examples. Okay. Clear?
Ma'am, what we have to underline?
And wall is the also example.
Yes, wall जो wall होती है.
Okay.
ट्रैक्टर भी नहीं लेके आ सकते हैं इंडोर में, क्लासरूम में भी नहीं लेके आ सकते हैं. There are so many examples that you have given. So underline it on the page number 27.
मैम
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. मैम जो कल आपने एक्स्ट्रा नोट्स भेजे थे चैप्टर 2 के, मैम उसके साथ मैम 1 ही क्वेश्चन था मैम इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड का.
चैप्टर 2 का एनसीईआरटी का 1 ही क्वेश्चन था. हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes. So next para, separate all the objects from this collection that are made from paper or wood. Okay, so we can divide the objects that are made from the paper and wood, separate them also. Clear? You have any object that is made up of paper or wood?
Pencil.
मैम
Yes.
बुक.
Yes, you can separate it.
Table.
Ma'am
मैम चेयर.
Ma'am bed.
Ma'am board.
मैम
The
स्टडी
object,
टेबल.
the small object that you have collected.
मैम बुक.
Pencil.
Samriddhi, I am not talking about, it is made up of wood. The comb is made up of wood. Okay.
Ma'am yes.
Okay. So you can, one group has the object that are made up of from the paper or wood, and while the other group that are not made from these. Okay, so how many groups that you have made? How many groups are there in? Yes, Tanishka?
3.
7 groups.
मैम 3.
5. Yes, Manjot, 4. Okay. So you have done the process. You have done classification. You have sorted the things in the groups. Yeah. Now next.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, I have. Ma'am, I have put all the together.
very
in
good,
the
Avni.
other groups. Ma'am, can you tell me that headphones are made of which material?
The headphones, the plastic, there is plastic and there is metal also. So it is an object that is made from the different materials. Yeah. And now next, coming to the table 4.1. You will collect the information, the objects. The object is plate that is given. So materials are made up, materials they are made of. The plate hai, it is made either made up of steel, glass, plastic, pen. It can be made up of plastic or metal also. So you will complete this table. You will write more, 2 more examples. Okay. Clear? For example, I am taking the example of toy. It is either made up from plastic or wood or paper.
मैम लेदर पे रोप लिख सकते हैं?
क्या?
मैम यहाँ पे लेदर लिखा है तो रोप लिख सकते हैं?
कहाँ पे लेदर लिखा है?
मैम टेबल 4.2 पे.
I am discussing about the table 4.1.
Okay.
Yes. So you will complete table 4.1. Okay. जैसे कि the toys can be made up from plastic or wood. Shirt can be made up of any type of other material, cotton, jute, nylon. Okay, sir, you will write example other than we have discussed in the class. Yeah. So in the activity 2, table 4.2 lists some common materials. You can also add more materials in column 1 that are known to you. I have told you that there is just single material है wood से अब chair भी we can also make chair, we can also make table, we can also make dice, desk. Okay, so there are so many things that we can make that can be prepared from wood. Coming to the table 4.2, different types of objects that are made from the same material. Clear? So chair, table, plow, bullock cart and its wheel that are made of which material? Wood. Clear? In the second row it is given books, notebooks, newspaper, toys, calendars. These are made from paper.
Paper.
Now you can give me examples of leather. What are the objects that are made from leather?
Bed bags.
Shoes and chapel.
Students,
And bed bags.
one by one. Yes, Tanisha,
Ma'am,
give
rope.
one example. Give one example, Tanisha.
Ma'am, purses.
Ma'am,
Ball, bag, shoes.
Ma'am, rope.
Belt.
Yes, the objects that are made from the leather. Yes, Manyata, give one example.
Ma'am, shoes.
Yes, Diya, give example.
Ma'am, purses.
Very good. Anshu, give example for the leather.
Ma'am, shoes.
Okay, anything? Rachit?
And violet. And violet.
What you are telling? Leather from leather.
उसने वॉलेट का.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Actually, it is not audible to me. Very good, Rachit. Rashesh. You want to give any example? You can
Cricket
give.
ball. Cricket ball.
Okay, cricket ball. Yes, there is leather. So there are so many examples. For example, the other example, jackets, sofas are also made up from leather. So you will complete table 4.1 and 4.2. It is your homework. Clear? Today we have learned about classification. This term is clear to you all. What is classification? It is the process of dividing the objects into the groups according to their types. Here, according to their type, वो किस material का बना है and all the other things that we have discussed. So students, please mark your attendance. It is already pasted. Don't forget to. Don't forget.
Excuse me, ma'am.
There is a, just give me a minute. On page number 26, at the last line, there is